The 2026 Honda Fury 1300 continues to reign as a masterpiece of industrial design, bridging the gap between a high-end custom chopper and the legendary reliability of a production Honda. It remains a rebel in the lineup, capturing the garage-built aesthetic through its radical, long-slung silhouette and minimalist architecture. For the 2026 model year, Honda has focused on refining the premium details, ensuring that the bike looks as sharp at a standstill as it does tearing down the highway. The design is defined by its stretched-out wheelbase and high-mount steering head, which creates an open, airy space between the frame and the engine. The signature teardrop fuel tank features a deep, lustrous finish with 3D chrome emblems flowing seamlessly into an ultra-low seat. To maintain the clean look of a traditional air-cooled chopper, Honda has masterfully hidden the radiator and cooling hoses between the frame down tubes. The lighting system has been modernized with a multi-lens LED headlight and a sleek integrated LED taillight, offering a crisp visual signature and superior visibility for the modern rider. Underneath the chrome and steel lies a powerful 1312cc liquid-cooled 52-degree V-twin four-stroke engine. This power plant is engineered specifically for low to mid-range grunt, delivering a torque-rich experience that makes cruising effortless. The engine utilizes an SOHC valve train with 3 valves per cylinder and a PGM-FI induction system with an automatic enricher for reliable starts in any weather. This power is delivered to the ground via a 5-speed manual transmission and a clean, quiet, and virtually maintenance-free shaft final drive, a rare and premium feature in the custom cruiser world. The chassis and handling of the 2026 Fury are surprisingly agile despite its radical geometry. It sits on a massive 200 series rear tire paired with a skinny 21-inch front wheel, creating the classic big and little chopper profile. With a curb weight of 675 pounds when ready to ride and a 71-inch wheelbase, the bike feels planted and stable. The ultra-low seat height of just 27.6 inches provides a confident feet-down feel at every stoplight, while the 3.4-gallon fuel capacity ensures plenty of range for the Sunday cruise. Standard ABS is included to ensure controlled stopping power, rounding out a package that starts at an estimated MSRP of $11,499. In a market often dominated by overly complex machines, the 2026 Honda Fury stands alone as a purist's motorcycle. It offers the undeniable cool factor of a custom build without the mechanical headaches often associated with one-off fabrications. It is a bike designed for the rider who wants to turn heads on the boulevard while enjoying the peace of mind that comes with a worldwide dealer network. The 2026 Fury proves that you don't have to sacrifice performance or reliability to own a piece of rolling art.